This is Lori, and I'm at the National Hardware Show here in Las Vegas, and I'm at the Selectone booth here, and I have Christine. Christine, you've got some neat paint and different finishes and things that will actually make painting a lot easier for those of us who like to do our own painting stuff. So, Christine, tell us what you got.
Sure. Thanks so much for talking to me today. We're very excited to be at the National Hardware Show here in Vegas. We're all the way from Canada, from Toronto. It's our first time here and we're having a blast. We met a lot of people. It's awesome. So I'd like to let you know about our products. We have some from interior paints. This is our top line. It's our Select line. It's a paint and primer in one. Comes in 3 sheens, flat, eggshell, and semi-gloss. This is our classic line. Everybody knows and loves it. And our professional line, which is great for contractors. Just so you know a little bit about our company, we've been around since 1913. And we've done a lot of different types of coatings. So in addition to our retail line, we're also an industrial producer of paint. And we make fluorescent paints, wood coatings, all kinds of cool stuff. And we have a few featured products like our crystal epoxy, which dries completely clear. It can go 6 inches thick, and you can suspend something in it if you'd like. So if you were doing a tabletop and you wanted to put a photograph underneath or suspend something in the middle, it works, which is pretty fun. We also have this product here, masking liquid, which is very unique. It's a brushable product, so it will not stick to glass, but it'll prime any surface around it. So if you were doing French doors or something like this, you'd put this product on first, let it dry, and then you can either spray or brush on top of it, and you peel this off when you're done, and you have a beautiful, clean cut line. So this is kind of unique and sort of fun. We have all kinds of products. We've got a new color system with a 0 VOC tint, which we're going to be introducing in dealers in our area and hopefully in yours as well. We are a distributor to CanPro, which is great, and we've got concrete products. Our sister company, Formula A, also has cleaners and all kinds of good stuff for your car. The Living Wood line is the line that you'd find. It's a polyurethane and varnishes. We also have Select Guard, which is epoxy. Very, very strong finish for floors. So anything you're looking for, Selectone has. Well, if you'd like to find one of our retailers, you can go to our website, which is www.selectonepaints.ca, and you can find anything you need, or you can send us an email at info@selectonepaints.ca, and we'd be happy to hear from you.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.